Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So this is the Tamron 28-200 all-in-one zoom lens for Sony E-mount cameras. It is f2.8. If you haven't seen my previous video reviewing this and giving you a first look introduction to it, then check it my description below. I'll have it linked down there, or alternatively you can click up here to check that previous video. In today's one, I'm going to go out with some friends. I'm going to take a whole bunch of photos covering all the different topics you can see here on the sidebar, and I'm going to run through all of them without any commentary. So if there's any you want to check in more details, then make sure to pause the video. Now I'm going to have a whole bunch of pictures in each of these categories as well, and I'll have the EXIF data embedded on each of the pictures so you can see the things like the aperture, the focal length and the ISO as well. And hopefully this gives you a better clarification if this lens is worth buying, depending on how the pictures come out. So without further ado, let's go out and take some pictures and let's get straight into it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and that you subscribe the video. I will see you next time.